Hey everyone, today I want to walk you through my lower body strength and shoulder workout. I'm starting off with broad jumps for power. Next up are goblet squats. I love these because they help me build leg strength while keeping my form in check. I always remember to keep my chest up and drive through my heels, quads, and glutes, keeping my core tight and having a nice strong upper back. Now I'm moving on to walking lunges. These are great for improving balance and stability. I make sure to step strong and keep everything controlled throughout my legs, torso, and shoulders. I'm doing Arnold presses now, and I love them. They target all angles of my shoulders. I just rotate my hands and press up smoothly, and I want to make sure that I have nice upright posture while I'm in the seated position, pushing nice and strong throughout the shoulders. Next, I'm hitting lateral raises. These really help with shoulder definition. I keep the movements controlled and avoid swinging to get the most out of them. Every day, I'm working with clients holding pads for boxing, kickboxing, or Muay Thai training. So I really love these because they help me keep my shoulders strong and healthy. Next, I'm at the cable machine for wood choppers from a low to high position. Wood choppers are one of my favorite core moves. I'm focusing on strong rotation through my torso, all the way from the ground up, keeping my core engaged the whole time. Finishing with sled push for full body power. Drive through your legs and engage your core. And that's it for today's workout. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.